Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Google Chat for failed Razorpay payment. So let's suppose I am running an online business store and I am collecting all my payments with the help of Razorpay. Now whenever there is a payment failure in Razorpay, I want to notify my team on Google Chat. Now I completely want to automate this process because if I start doing this manually, this will consume a lot of time. Now to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Razorpay and my Google Chat Hangout. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Razorpay where this payment failure will happen. And then in my action application, I am going to take Google Chat Hangout where my team will be notified automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Google Chat for failed Razorpay payment. So here I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect where I took trigger application as Razorpay and an action application as Google Chat Hangout, and I have created this automation in such a way that whenever the payment will be failed in my Razorpay account, my team will be automatically notified on Google Chat Hangout. So over here, let's perform this automation and check whether it is working or not. So let's open my product checkout page, and over here this is the checkout page, and now I am going to fill some dummy details in these fields. So here the amount to be paid is 500, the email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, the phone number is this, and then the name is latest user. Now I am going to click on this pay, and then I have to select my payment option, and then I have to enter my UPI ID. So over here I have entered a wrong UPI ID, and then I am going to click on this verify and pay. So here the payment could not be completed and here is a payment failure. Now my team should be automatically notified about this. So let's open my Google Chat Hangout, and here I can see that I have instantly received this message. The name was latest user, email address was latest@pabblytudes.com, and the status is failed. Here I have also received the number. So here now to learn this automation step by step, let's start creating this automation from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Google Chat for failed payment on Razorpay with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. Now if you are an existing user, click on this sign in, but if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I am going to click on the sign in, and here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to notify team on Google Chat for failed Razorpay payment, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to notify my team on Google Chat for failed Razorpay payment, which means whenever there will be a payment failure in Razorpay, my team will be automatically notified on Google Chat Hangout, which means whenever there will be a failure of payment in Razorpay, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a payment failure happens in Razorpay, then action says do this. Then notify my team on Google Chat Hangout. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Razorpay And then in my trigger event, I am going to take payment failed. Now I have to make connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Pabbly Connect with Razorpay. So here, reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Razorpay account. So this is the app dashboard of Razorpay, and on the left hand side where I can see all the options, here I have to scroll down and then go to developers option. And then over here I can see this API and webhooks. So I will open this webhooks and then I have to click on this add new webhook. Now over here in this webhook URL field, I am required to enter the webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So here I am going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to enter the secret, and then I have to select the active events on which this webhook will trigger the workflow. So here, whenever a payment failure happens, then this workflow should be triggered. So here now I am going to click on this create webhook. So webhook saved successfully, and now let's open my Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission in my Razorpay, for which I need to open my product in Razorpay and make a purchase for that. If we receive the response whenever a payment failure happens in Razorpay in Pabbly Connect, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL, that connection is successful. So now from over here Razorpay, I am going to click on this payment pages, from where I need to make the payment for this t-shirt store. So I am going to copy this link and paste that link in a new tab and then open this. And now I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say, so here I have entered few details. My email address is admin@pabblytudes.com. Then my phone number is this. My name is admin user. Now I am going to click on this pay 500. And then I am going to make the payment for UPI. So I am going to add a wrong UPI ID. And then I am going to click on this verify and pay. So this payment could not be completed. Here this is a payment failure, and now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether it has captured the response there or not. So here in my Pabbly Connect, I can see that I have received the response. The status is failed. Then the name was admin user, email address was admin@pabblytudes.com, and then this was the mobile number. So as soon as the payment failure happened, I received the response in my Pabbly Connect, and this shows the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. That connection is successful, and now whenever there will be a payment failure in Razorpay, I will start receiving the response in my Pabbly Connect. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is a payment failure, I want to notify my team on Google Chat. So here in my action step, I am going to take Google Chat as my action application. And then in my action event, I am going to take this create message. Now I have to click on this connect. So here my Google Chat Hangout is connected with Pabbly Connect, as I have already logged in my Google Chat Hangout, and it is always advisable to keep your application logged in for the easy authorization. So here I first need to enter the chat webhook URL, and then I have to draft the message in a way that I want to send to my team in that space. So here to get this chat webhook URL, let's open my Google Chat Hangout, and over here you can see that this was a space failed payment details, and now I'm going to click on this arrow from where I have to go to this apps and integrations. And now over here I can see this add webhooks option. So I am going to open this and then name this webhook as, let's say, testing. And then as avatar URL is not a required field, I am going to skip this and then click on this save. So here I am provided with the unique webhook URL, which I am going to copy from the 3 dots and then paste that webhook URL over here in this box. Now I have to draft the message. So let's say my message is, hello team, there was a payment failure. Here are the details. So here I have added this message. Hello team, there was a payment failure. Here are the details: name, email, phone, status. Please check as soon as possible. And now I have to enter the value to these fields, and I am not going to enter this manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here, as I have received my response from Razorpay, and when I click on this name, I can see this Razorpay, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. So I have to enter the name, and the name was admin user, and then I have to enter the email address. So the email address was admin@pabblytudes.com, and then I have to enter the phone number. So the phone number was this, and then I have to enter the status. So the status was failed. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Now over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I have to click on the save and send test request. And as soon as I click on the save and send test request, I should receive the message in my Google Chat Hangout space. So let's open my Google Chat Hangout. So this is my space, and this is the same message that we have created and received in my space. Hello team, there was a payment failure. Here are the details: name, admin user, email, admin@pabblytudes.com. Then this was the phone number, and the status is failed. Now to summarize, we took Razorpay as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We made a test payment and received the response in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step where we took action application as Google Chat Hangout, where we entered the chat webhook URL and drafted the message in a way that we want to send to our team in this space. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this message being sent to my space. So we have successfully created automation between Razorpay and Google Chat Hangout with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.